There are secrets about the universe that even your science teacher never mentioned. From invisible forces to impossible objects, once you hear them, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. Stay until the end, because the final truth might change the way you understand time itself. Welcome to your channel name, where the universe gets personal. Every week we explore the strange, the unexplained, and the mind-blowing mysteries of space. So if you love space, stars, and secrets, consider subscribing. You're definitely in the right place. Let's begin with something that sounds impossible. The universe has no center. When we hear about the Big Bang, we imagine a giant explosion from one central point, sending galaxies flying into space like shrapnel. But that's not how it works. The Big Bang didn't happen in space, it happened to space. It wasn't an explosion from a single place, but an expansion of space itself, everywhere, all at once. This means there's no edge and no middle. Everything is expanding away from everything else, like raisins in rising bread dough. No matter where you stand in the universe, it feels like you're at the center. But that's just an illusion. It's a concept so bizarre, it flips our idea of place completely upside down. Next, here's a mind-bending truth. 95% of the universe is completely invisible. Everything we've ever seen, planets, stars, nebulae, even entire galaxies, makes up just 5% of what's out there. The rest? It's made of dark matter and dark energy. We can't see them, we can't touch them, but we know they exist because of the way they affect everything around them. Dark matter acts like an invisible glue, holding galaxies together, while dark energy is like a mysterious force pushing the universe apart at increasing speed. It's like living in a mansion, but only ever being able to see a single room. Most of the cosmos is hidden behind a veil we can't yet lift. Now prepare yourself, because this next idea sounds like science fiction, but it's grounded in real theory. Our universe might be just one bubble in a sea of countless others. This is the multiverse theory, the idea that our universe is just one among billions or even infinite others, each with different laws of physics, different histories, and possibly even different versions of you. Some may have stars made of ice, others might never have formed galaxies at all. And in some, time could flow backward. Although it's still theoretical, the multiverse is taken seriously by some of the greatest minds in cosmology. And if it's true, we may never be truly alone in the grandest sense. You might think that galaxies are peaceful, floating quietly through space, but they're actually on collision courses. And they do crash into each other. The strange part? These collisions aren't as destructive as you might expect. Because of the vast distances between stars, most simply pass by one another. Instead of chaos, what we get is cosmic rebirth. New stars, new solar systems, and entirely new galactic structures. In fact, our own Milky Way is on a slow-motion collision path with the Andromeda Galaxy. In about 4 billion years, the two will merge into a new galaxy, already nicknamed Milkomeda. But the universe isn't just strange in space. It's strange in time. Near a black hole, for example, time actually slows down. This is called time dilation, and it's been confirmed by both Einstein's theory and direct measurements. To put it simply, an astronaut orbiting close to a black hole would experience time more slowly than someone far away. When they returned, they'd have aged less, by hours, days, or even years. So space travel could actually be a form of time travel. Forward. Here's something more personal. You are made of stardust, literally. The carbon in your body, the iron in your blood, and the calcium in your bones. All of it was forged in the hearts of stars that lived and died billions of years ago. When those stars exploded in supernovas, they scattered the ingredients for life across the cosmos. Eventually, that matter came together to form planets and people. So when you look up at the night sky, You're not just looking at distant stars. You're looking at your origins. And now, the most controversial idea of all. What if none of this is real? Some scientists and philosophers now believe we could be living inside a simulation. Think of it like the Matrix, but instead of machines, the simulation could be run by an advanced civilization. If you look closely enough, they argue, you'll find clues, mathematical limits in the laws of physics, strange patterns in cosmic background radiation, quantum glitches that suggest the universe might be rendered like a video game. While it sounds far-fetched, it's being taken seriously in some circles. Because here's the unsettling truth. If a simulated universe is possible, and advanced civilizations are likely to build them, then the odds of us living in the one real universe become surprisingly small. The universe is weirder than we can imagine, and we've only scratched the surface today. Which of these secrets surprised you the most? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what blew your mind. And if you want a part 2, where we dive even deeper, let me know. If this video made you see the cosmos a little differently, give it a like. Subscribe and join our mission to explore the most fascinating mysteries in the universe, one video at a time. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.